how to delete Kik account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, launch the Kik application. Then make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, if you don't want to use the Kik account anymore, now in order to delete your account, first of all, what you have to do is once you land on this interface, tap on your profile icon from the upper right corner. That will take you to your profile page. Now, before we head on to next step, you have to make sure that you remember your username and your email. So make sure you remember your username. If not, you can simply copy your username and remember your email. And after you do that, scroll down a bit, then tap on help and about us. Again, tap on help, then you will be taken to the web browser, or that is Google Chrome on your mobile device, and you will land on this interface. Here at the search bar, simply type in delete account and search for that. A bunch of search articles will load up on your screen. Among that, tap on the first one that says permanently delete account. Again, scroll down a bit and make sure you go through all of this information given to you on this interface that basically says that what happens when you permanently deactivate or delete your account, or what does permanently deactivating your account means. So all of these informations are provided to you. Now, if you have made your mind to delete your account, then there is a link provided that says permanent deactivation website. Tap on there. Again, you will be taken to next page. So here, first of all, you have to enter your username under this text field that says enter your username. You can simply copy the username that you have copied recently. So paste the username right here, and under that you have to enter your correct email address. Now you have to provide the reason why you are deleting your account. So select the, and under that you can add the additional information as well. Now you have to tap on this checkbox that says I understand that I'm permanently deactivating my account and I don't want to be able to log in again to reactivate it. Tap on that, and after you complete all of this process, simply tap and go, and after that your account will get deleted permanently. And that's how you can delete your Kik account, and I hope this video helped you. That's all for today's video, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.